My name is Laura Discenza. I am the technology teacher at Davis Academy for Arts and Design Innovation Interdistrict Magnet School in New Haven, Connecticut. This is my 5th year here, and it's been a lot of fun getting to know the kids. I went from being a general 4th grade teacher to a science lab teacher for elementary, and a tech position opened up, and then I never looked back. So being in that STEM world has kind of always been lingering there. So now that I'm able to present that to kids and give them the opportunity to find that joy in the learning has been so much fun. I can't imagine going back to a general classroom again. 2 1/4, good job. So you can mark it with a pencil, and then I'm gonna help you with a knife on this, okay? Our goal for today is to have everything assembled and to spray paint. Do we think it's safe to put an egg in without any type of protection besides the plastic outtube?
No.
Unless your intention is to
No,
have it.
what do we have to add to it? The rocket experience for the kids has really just ignited, excuse the pun, a lot of the fun of science for the kids. I know with state testing and everything, they're so focused on just getting information and having it stored in their head, but not really understanding it. So being able to see and understand that, potential and kinetic energy isn't just something written on paper, but actually experiencing, oh, this is where it applies to. It's been a great experience. The students have been excited from the beginning, and you say the word rocket and immediately their ears perk up. But being able to really have a curriculum that backs it up and have a good reason also to give your administrators of this is important to them and this is how they're going to thrive and succeed is huge. So we're just really excited to be a part of it.